Hi tubes, I thought I'd try a bit of this battery welding today. I thought, you know, you can weld with 3 batteries, you know, you do it if you're broken down in the middle of nowhere to get your own repair. So I thought I'd give it a go. I thought I'd try it first, try it with 1 battery, might not work, eh? Try it with 2, should work with that apparently. Then I'll try it with 3 batteries. So I'll have a look at my setup. So all it is jump leads, and I made that one up, but it's jump leads, basically just jump leads, 3 batteries, 3 car batteries, jump lead going, and we'll test it on this my test piece, which is quite thick, fairly thick steel. Got a few different rods to try. So what you do is, one jump lead is going to the piece you're working on, goes to positive on the battery, then that negative jump lead goes to positive on the second battery, and that negative goes to positive on the third battery, and then the negative on this one is going to my electrode holder. I fastened a proper electrode holder on it, make it a bit easier for me, and this is a long lead because this is what I'm welding with. So what I'm going to do now is I'll just connect the electrode to 1 battery, see what it does. 1 battery, see what happens. Answer, a few sparks and nothing. Okay, we'll connect 2 batteries up. Right, that's to the workpiece, and this is to the electrode holder. Negative to positive so that it adds up, and then we've got 24 volts to play with. Give that a go. Okay, this is 2 batteries, 24 volts. Right. Trying to do something, isn't it? Not working very well, that really, is it? Oh, bloody hell. Oh, that's fun. Oh, that's good, isn't it? Look at that. Brilliant. That's amazing. It got very, very hot. Right. Yeah, okay, so I'd say that was a fail, wouldn't you? Right, we'll connect the third battery up. So that's the positive there to the negative of this one, yeah. Right, trying to see, got good connections on these. Right, so I gave the electrode, it's got a long wire, so obviously that's the one that I want to be a long wire so you can get around and do all your welding jobs. Right, we'll see how 3 batteries does together. 36 volts added together, 12, 24, 36. Right, we'll see how the 36 volts works out. 3 car batteries. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. Try actually welding these. That's a lot better, isn't it? I'll try welding an actual weld these together. Actually, I think what I'll do is I'll go for a bigger, thicker rod. Because that's this one. Just a much thicker rod. See how this gets on. Even give it a bit of a wire brush. Seems to be stopping for some reason. I've certainly got plenty of power, that. Plenty of power. Yeah, that's that'd most certainly get you out of do the job for a bush fix, wouldn't it? Eh? Most certainly. That's for some reason it was stopping, but oh, that's plenty of power. Plenty of power. So yeah, now I'm actually quite surprised that the 2 battery one didn't work a bit better. Might actually give that another go. Maybe I had a bad connection or something. I'll try the 2 bigger batteries. Right, I've connected 2 batteries up again, the 2 bigger batteries. Give it a go. No, struggling with that. I'm struggling with that. I'll tell you what, I'll use these smaller electrodes. Nope, no, it's not having it. So basically then there wasn't a problem with free at all. There was not a problem at all with free. In fact, I think I'm going to give it another go, because that was impressive. So I'm going to give it another go. Free. Get that on there. That on there. Back on the big electrode again. Try that. Right, we're back on free batteries again. Good. Very good. Not a problem at all. Have a closer look at that. Well, I'd say that's very good. That is not bad at all. That is beautiful, I'd say. Really, free car batteries. What is that rod? What is that? 3.2, probably about a 3.2 welding rod that I use there. But plenty of power, plenty of power. So yeah, that was a definite win on that. 3 car batteries, but 2, no, not at all. Just don't seem to work for me. I know that other people maybe have got it to work, but 3 batteries, no problem. So let's have a look at the setup again. Welding electrode, nice long wire there. It's a negative on the first battery, then a positive from that to the second battery, to the second battery's negative, and then the positive from that battery to the third battery's negative, and then the positive to the workpiece. And that worked very well. Okay, so yeah, quite enjoyed that. Alright, that's all for now, tubes. Please subscribe and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now. So, in conclusion, I would say it welded very well with 3 batteries. 1 battery, forget it. 2 batteries, forget it. From my experience, no chance. But 3 batteries welds very well with stick welding. Now, I am or used to be a professional welder, so that's going to help a bit in it. But it definitely get you out of a fix if you were broken down at the middle of nowhere and you had 3 batteries with you. I mean, I just couldn't get it to work with 2, so just didn't seem to have the power. But 3 batteries, tons of power, loads of oomph, and it welded very strongly, I'd say. Okay, so see you later, tubes. Bye for now. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again.